बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि
बुद्धं शरणं
මේ කට්ටිය කොහේ යනවා කියලා හිතන්නේ. මේ වරුණාසි වල යනවා සුදු ඇඳගෙන සුදු කොක්කෝ වගේ.
इदं कोपन भिक्खवे दुःखं मरिय सच्चं
So that was started by King Ashoka, but fully completed by the Gupta king. That was 61 meters long.
व्याधि संपयोगो दुःखो
ධම්මික ස්තෝත්‍රය.
विपयोगो दुःखो यं पिच्छुं नो लभति तंपि दुःखं संखित्ते
මූලගන්ධි කුටි විහාරය කියන්නේ මේක තමයි බුදුහාමුදුරුවෝ මේ ඇවිල්ලා වැඩ වාසය කරලා තියෙන්නේ.
इदं कोपन
ඒ ඉස්සරහා තියෙන අශෝක ස්තම්භයේ ඉතුරු කොටස තමයි මේ වහලා තියෙන්නේ.
दुःख समुदयं यं अरिय सच्चं नन्दिराग सहगता तत्र तत्राभिनन्दिनी सेयद्धीरं भवतन्हा विभवतन्हा इदं कोपन भिक्खवे
झूला धीरे से झूलाओ बनवारी और सावरिया ना झूला धीरे से झूलाओ बनवारी और सावरिया
නගර මේක තමයි බුදුහාමුදුරුවෝ ශ්‍රේණියට කරපු
Mukut Bandhana. Mukut means like crown. Bandhana means rapes. So his dead body was kept middle of the Chandalwood with full respect, and people used match lighter for the fire, but there was no fire. You know, Mahakasyap was not there. So when Mahakasyap came, he took 3 rounds dead body of Buddha. After 3 rounds, he stood feet side, and he was just praying to Buddha. So when the dead body was fully cremated, 8 kings were there. They were fighting with each other. Then the throne divide the relics into the 8 parts. But one thick relics So then they says no need to fight, take one part of the relics. So 8 parts of relics were taken, but those relics was divided here.
Is this the place where the kings?
They actually sorted that out.
And those relics divided by Drona. After fully cremated, Mahakasyap need water. So by the miracles, they got the water from there. So memory of that, there is that well was made by King Mallas.
Fully percussive. Sinhala bahasa cikgu. Batas kan? Ini. Aku sih.
Ini apa isi urat? Apa kenapa sih urat dengan itu? Yeah, isn't it? Not in the book.
නැත පවතින්නේ කළ හොඳ පමණයි මෙලොව රැඳෙන්නේ නැති බැරිකම ලෙඩ දුක ඇතිවන්නේ අපටයි මිනිසුනේ ඇයි එය නොසිතන්නේ
චන්ඩිය අම්ම ඇවිල්ලා කේශරියා වලට ඇවිල්ලා
ධම්මං शरणं गच्छामि
धम्मं शरणं
संघं शरणं गच्छामि
संघं शरणं
රුවන් පිළිරු අද ශේෂ වූයේ හිමි දෙසූ බණ අසා ඇති මුදු ඇසූයේ
years ago, basement. Later on, the Mauryan dynasty, then King Ashoka, then Kanishka. Kanishka was in first 100 BC, about 19. There is a bell for the water. When the Buddha live here with disciples, they use the water for a drink from the
Oh dear. නගින්න එපා කියලා තිබුණා.
He dug the hole, like 3 feet hole. In 3 feet hole, he got the water. So he gave a bowl of water to Buddha. That's why we will see one pond there that is called Monkey Pond.
මේක මෙතන තමයි හරියටම හතන සූත්‍රය දේශනා කරන්නේ. ඒකට ආරාධනා කරේ ආනන්ද හාමුදුරුවෝ ඉන්නේ ඒකට ආනන්ද බෝධි කියලා කියනවා. මේක තමයි බුදුහාමුදුරන්ට අර වඳුරා හාරපු පකුණ අඩි 3ක් හරනකොට වතුර ආවලු. මේ ඈත පේනවා මෙතන පේන්නේ බුදුහාමුදුරුවෝ වස්සසක කාලේ ගත කරපු ගඳකුත්. අපේ පසන් බලන් ඉන්නේ මේ දැන් ස්වස්තික ශාලාව කියන්නේ මේක හැදේ ස්වස්තිකයක් වගේ.
So this is the main site to see in this area. This is stupa first by the Vishala king. Later on it was made by King Ashoka. So among 8 relics of stupa, this is one.
මේ මැද්දේ තියෙන මේ මඩ වලින් හදපු මේක තමයි මුලින්මම බුදුහාමුදුරන්ගේ ධාතුන් වහන්සේලා තැන්පත් කරලා තිබෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි මේක එන්න ලොකු කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Now you tell me everything you know of this place.
So this is the main site to see in this area. This is called Maha Bodhi Temple. Maha means great. Bodhi means the place of enlightenment. Temple means anybody can go inside. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, no objection, no bondation. That's why it is called Maha Bodhi Temple. It was made by King Ashoka 2300 years ago. But King Ashoka made it 30 feet height only, not all the temple. 30 feet means up to second door level. Can we see the second door? Up to that level made by King Ashoka. After that came another king from Gupta dynasty. His name Samundragupta. Between 3 to 500 AD, he made it 150 feet height. So 30 plus 150, it is 180 feet height from bottom to top. After that, in 1200 AD, one Muslim king came, Bakhtiyar Khilji. He did not like it. So what happened? Top 30 feet was broke down by the Muslims. And whatever things were there, it was all covered with mud. About 600 years, it was covered. Then came Lord Cunningham. He was British archaeologist in 1880. He again rebuilt broken part of the temple and he excavated, he dug it. So whatever things we are found, it was founded by excavation only. Otherwise 600 years, it was covered. So the tree under which Buddha got enlightenment, that is behind the temple. Then Buddha spent 7 weeks here. 7 weeks he meditated 7 different places. In a temple compound, 7 places are the main. So first we see main temple, then we go to see Bodhi tree, then one by one we will visit all the 7 places. Only 4 or 5 are the old ones. Those I will show you.
Gujarat, Ashoka.
Vajrasana, I will show. This is the center point of the Vajrasana. Blue color cloth is there.
Yes.
Some platform is there. Some flower is there. That is called Vajrasana.
गच्छामि शरणं गच्छामि.
So first week he meditated under the tree. In second week, can we see one temple is there behind the tree? So Buddha went there, and from there he was looking to this Bodhi tree for 7 days, but without blinking his eyes lid for the 7 days. And wherever he put his feet, lotus came out from the ground. So King Ashoka made this stone flower like lotus flower. These are the oldest stone from Ashoka days, but it was broken by the Muslims. On the 4th week, Buddha was meditating here. While he was meditating, 6 rays or 6 lights came out from his body. So when those lights came out, fully area illuminated.
Dan ini Mahabodhi Pansal. Mahabodhi Vihara ඇතුළේ. අම්මලා දෙන්නට මතක අසර දෙන්න. අම්මා මේ ලත ගන්න.
Made by King Ashoka.
There are how many?
27. In 27 we have seen Sarnath, we have seen Vaisali, and one is here. So it was 100 feet. 100 feet means about 33 meter height. But it was destroyed. It was broken by the Muslim king. So on the top there was Ashoka Chakra lion head was there, but 3 lion head, not 4. 4 Sarnath, 1 we have seen by Sali, here was 3. So only 15 feet. Other side of the Niranjana river, we will see Sujata village. After having milk and rice from the Sujata, he crossed the river. After that he was wandering here. One Brahmana was there, Swastika. So he had some kusha grass. So he gave kusha grass to Siddhartha, not Buddha, because those days he was not enlightened. And kusha grass he took from here. So now one thing you remember, we saw first week under the tree, second week Animes Lochana, he was gazing to the tree, third week walking Chankramana, fourth Rasana Ghara. So these are the actual places where he has spent in his time, that is in this compound. But number 5, number 6, number 7 is not here.
शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि
छत्रपति दुर्गेश्वरी में निरंजना का this, she said she can't even think of somebody carrying her.
And this is the place, this is very important place. Why? Because 6 years before his enlightenment, Buddha meditate here or Duskara Kriya place.
Duskara Kriya karo बताना.
गच्छामि संघं शरणं
පියන් පියට මිහි කත සනා